Welcome to this course on Supplier Qualification. In this first part, we will cover definitions, the applicable regulatory framework, and strategies for identifying suppliers. Medical product portfolios are becoming more and more developed as a result of the acquisition of existing designs, including complete devices, components, and complex sub-assemblies. The rise in the complexity of the technologies involved, which results in the need for investments in the corresponding manufacturing infrastructures, means that a growing proportion of the design and manufacturing of medical devices is subcontracted. Thus, an increased probability of gaps in expectations and implementation is mechanically present. This course proposes methods for controlling these gaps, while guaranteeing regulatory compliance in the assessment and evaluation of suppliers. First, we need to identify key references, as well as build a base rationale for the supplier qualification activity. The following standards, laws and guidelines are applicable. The standard ISO 13485-2003 Medical Devices Quality Management Systems Requirements for Regulatory Purposes is the widely recognized applicable quality management reference. It is activated by most of the regulatory roads of the European Medical Device Directive 93/42, the Active Implantable Medical Device Directive 90/385, and the In Vitro Diagnostics Directive 98/79. The 21 CFR 820 is the applicable law covering the quality system or good manufacturing procedures, GMP, whenever a company wants to put a product on the American market. The Global Harmonization Task Force documents are non-mandatory recommendations, which play a fair role in clarifying the expectations between the various regulatory systems. GHTF SG4/N84 proposes methods and criteria on how regulatory authorities, competent authorities or notified bodies, must evaluate compliance. GHTF SG1/N11 lists items to be included in the technical documentation of a medical device. GHTF SG3/N17 proposes methods on how a manufacturer can structure and substantiate controls of suppliers and subcontractors. This document is fundamental, so please consult it in this course's resources. The full benefit of this training course goes hand in hand with a good understanding of this document.